wasn't worth it. Today is a day for destruction. Basically, I've done this porch now, which needs to be plasterboarded or dry lined. The bits either side now need to be edited or ripped out. And all the insulation which is behind here, ideally we're going to take the opportunity now to take all that out and put some new insulation in, which will be thicker and better. Now it's pretty annoying because we have actually insulated and dry lined 90% of the house already, and what we've learned is we didn't use the right type of insulation and it's not enough. The insulation we've used still allows drafts to get behind the wall, which is sort of what we thought we wanted at first. Turns out drafts are your biggest killer of heat. So what I'm going to do over the next few weeks, I'm going to take this opportunity to start pulling out all the old insulation and dry lining, and we'll work around. So we're going to start with, in here, the dining room, and then in the next few weeks it's going to be the living room, and we're just going to bust it out, just get it out and in really quickly. So let's just get on with it. Mask. Just going to disconnect the electrics as well, just to be safe. As if. So what we've done. So the reason I'm hoping this is going to be quite quick with this railing system. If you can see here, we've left the bottom rail and the top rail in place. So what that means is when all this is out, we can just click the rails back in, put the insulation behind, screw the plasterboard. It's all, we don't need to work out what's level again or the spacing. It's already done for us. So hopefully, easy job. So I'm just measuring the space between the plasterboard and the wall. The idea is we're going to get really fluffy, expandable insulation so that it fills right against the wall and stops the drafts being able to come down. It's about 22, which I thought we'd get away with 10 centimeters, which is what I've got. So I may have to take a trip out and get some thicker stuff. The question is now, do I have time to go to Brico before it shuts? If I'm quick. Better turn the studio setup off. It's because I'm filming with this GoPro inside. It's rubbish without all the light. New camera very soon. Shut. This is going to be a tomorrow vlog thing. That's it for today. I'm off to get my camera ordered. Thanks all for watching. See you tomorrow. Collection on the 9th.